Quick comparison, I have both the Tecno Camon 40 Pro and the Tecno Camon 40 Premier with me. These phones really good and really premium, and I would say that these are among the best looking Tecno phones so far. Looking at them side by side, nagmumukhang makapal si Tecno Camon 40 Premier, and part of that, a huge contributor to that is the curved edge. Kahit sabihin natin nasa millimeters lang talaga yung difference nila, nagmumukhang mataba at mararamdaman mo na parang mas mataba talaga yung Tecno Camon 40 Premier. In terms of weight, mas mabigat din talaga si Tecno Camon 40 Premier. Pareho naman silang may flash na button which you can use to quickly launch the camera or talk to your AI assistant Ella. But if you want a sleek and sexy phone, go for the Tecno Camon 40 Pro 5G. Otherwise, if you value cameras more, if you take a ton of photos and videos, and if you want more performance, then go for the Tecno Camon 40 Premier.